What's up, world? So, today I'm going on a live to actually take you through the process I go through. I'm going to be launching the full application on the live store, and we'll be doing that all through live until it is approved. Today, we'll start by making the screenshots and filling in the details. So, let's get started. Yeah. So, just need to open my browser. Had started creating a few screenshots, so we'll just have to proceed with where I had reached. So this is the copy. Uh, so I'm looking for copy and inserting my screenshots. I need at least 10 screenshots, then I fill in other details. So I've already created 7 screens on Canva, and I'm going to be populating them one by one while looking for the copy. So the second screen, I'll be looking for inspiration as well from other applications. So I'll need to open apps, not App Store Connect, but actually new apps. So we will be using figures for all this to do all this research. I'll just log in. Yeah, I'm sorry for that delay. So I'll go over to explore, and I'll be looking for similar keywords, right? AI coaches. And then I'll be taking inspiration from the highest downloaded and adding it to my screenshots and trying to recreate. So we can see one with the highest reviews is this, but this is a kid game, so I won't take that. Here, AI weight loss. Let's have a look at that. 300k revenue, 240k downloads. Last updated. So this is how their screenshots look like, but actually it's a coaching app, but mine ain't a coaching app. It's an actual fitness coaching app and health coach. So yeah, they have a video and 39 screenshots. So that means for uh, every display screen, as you can see, 6.5, 6.1, and just iPhone, Yeah, so we'll be not be going as hard as them. At least we'll be using screenshots, at least 10 screenshots. And from what I see, we'll need to at least create some images. We'll look into that, but this is one example. Another one, home workout as well. So a lot of things that are ranking workout coaches. Hope you have noted that. So I already have that screen, so I can recreate this easily. So yeah, let's do this. Then I'll need to add these trusted badges as well on my screenshots. I have some space on the other one. Let's go with this. I'll add light mode screenshots later. For now, let's go with dark and dark mode screenshots while maintaining my actual theme color. So I'll just drag in a screen. Tomorrow I'll be adding better screens. For today I'm just going with what I have. Don't want to get on my phone again. It will be a waste of time. Yeah, then let's increase this size. This is actually too small. Then what copy can we use over here? Let's open Gemini. And we can get some copy from here. So let's take, I have used this. High stake coaching for high achievers. I really like that. Let's use that. So we come over here, add text, come drag it accordingly and paste that there. Change the font. So for this font we'll use black and the sky blue. So black, then some words will actually be sky blue. So that will be sky blue. Then for which font can we put there? Which color? Let me think. Let's just reduce that to, is it really visible? Let's make it a bit dark. Yeah, let's bring it there. Then this one, high achievers. Then the whole of this, we'll need to change it to a font that I like. Let's not go with the normal fonts. Which one was I using? Chunk 5, right? Then some things will need to be bigger fonts. Let's change this. No, let's do the font. No. So let's just leave it like that and use it like that. So yeah, I think I like this screen. So the first screen is AI. Number one, AI coaching app for better OS. Number two, I'll need to add the trusted badges. You need to add the trusted badges on this screen. So let's search for elements. So how do you use Canva? The graphics, right, or shapes. Let's look for all grid. Yeah, the graphics. Then we can see uh, trusted. Olives. App Store. Trusted olives. So you can see they are not here. What we can do is we can Google on how to do that. Adding trusted olives on App Store. On Canva with App Store. Let's see. To ensure the olive images or brand elements are used, you use a trusted, e.g. official logos. No, find trusted via Canva app. What are the names? What are the names of the trusted icons used in Play Store? Ratings and App Store. Editor's Choice Badge. That's the name. Let's change that. So the name is Editor's Choice Badge. Let's copy that name and paste it over here. It's premium assets. I'll look for a way on how we can import this, but for now let's just use them. Then adjust the size. Place it here, and we can duplicate it. Move it here. Let's adjust the size once more so we can fit 3. The first one will be saying the number of downloads. The second one will be talking about App Store ratings. App Store ratings, and then control duplicate. This one will be talking about let's add those text. We can see the subheadings. That one is say, for example, 1 plus m, right? And then 1m plus, then we give it a white text, and then effect, we can give it a background. Then the color of the background we can say is white. Then the text, actually can say the text is that. Then it makes it looks transparent. Then we move this in here. How does that look? Then it looks a bit squeezed, so we'll need to move this to back. And then adjust the size as well. I'm not sure if we can change the border radius of that to be a circle. Let's check here on effects. So we can then we just adjust it accordingly to fit right in the middle. Then we can duplicate that. Let me move it backwards. Send to back this. So I can select that, copy, and paste it in every container. Let's just move the new one. Yeah, frame it right in the middle. And again, over here, paste it right in the middle. So all we need to change will be the text and the wording. So they are all in the middle. What we can do is send this to back. Then send this backward as well. Then send this backward. Then we can actually so 1m plus downloads on that. Then this is the ratings. Wow, I blundered once more. Let me change the text first. Send backward. This comes front. Then I say 4.8. Then I can send it back. I almost clicked delete. Layer, send backwards. Then here I send the form backwards, the image backwards, and then I need to change this to what do we need there. So it's usually let us see what this was using. the number of coaches, but let's not use that. So we can say it's downloads, ratings, and reviews. Yeah, let's say reviews. So 10k plus, that will be reviews. Then we add over here just a small text. Sorry, send this back. So that is okay. Then so here we add downloads. We'll use a text. So downloads, that will come here, and then we'll change it to use our font Chuck 5. Then do we really need to make it bold? No, it looks too, so control M. Can't make it bold because it's automatically bold. No worries about that. Then we'll just duplicate this. Bring it right. No, that's too close. Just right there. Then duplicate that as well. So this is ratings, and this is our review. So then what we can do is make these three a group. So these three, this, sorry, these three, this. So I can select multiple. Okay, Control Z, group those, and that. So here's where the tricky parts come in. Since these are groups, can group this and then move it here. We'll be left with this. What we'll do is bring it over here and then ungroup all this. Yeah, so like that. Then we just move this over here. So done. What we can do when we want to change something, like increase the font, no, but that is too big. So what do you think? The white, is it visible? Yeah, I may think it's visible, but we'll see. Okay, so let's proceed on to the next screen. Let's head over to the next screen. So that screen is done. 1, 2, 3. We're heading on to screen number 4. So what will screen number 4 do and say? uh, let's have a look at the elements, and we are not looking for graphics anymore. We are looking for mockups, and the type of mockups we are looking for are smartphones. So we'll check smartphones. Let me look for one that just screams out class. I don't want a hand in this new screenshots. What we can do is, no, let's use this. But I'm really tired of screens that are tilted on that direction, and there's no way we can rotate them. Someone at Canva should create new mockups. Sounds are getting old. They freelance from one of you. Yeah, those guys have money. So we can rotate this to actually look a bit straight. Though it's tilted, if you have a close look, can we do this? No need to struggle for it to look straight. Let's just make it a bit curved like that, and then reduce the size so we can leave room for two texts on this screenshot, one at the top and one at the bottom. Let's just still use it and then center it. Yeah, so what will go in this screen, I'll make it a light mode tomorrow, so we don't just have dark modes in every screen. People will think we are just dark mode people, because my other app was also dark mode. So uploads, we can put on this, we can put this on. And what will this screenshot say? Let's have a look at Gemini. A marketplace of human expertise. No. So let's tell it, give me a better copy, please, for false trends again. Then we can tell it, outline the features we have in the home screen and contexts, but make it really simple. Thanks. Do you guys tell your AI thanks? I'd like to hear from you. Yeah, me, I must. I don't want when the revolution comes, I become held on the wrong side. But when they annoy me, sometimes I tell them, you know, corn casserole. I abuse them as well when I'm annoyed. So, your life integrated, no, that is the same thing. Don't want the explanation. No more excuses. Yeah, that looks really good. No more excuses. I like that. I'll use that. It changed. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that looks okay. No, we actually want content for the marketplace. Yeah, hire your dream team. So we add a text. We'll make it a heading. Let's move it here. I like to move it. Paste that there. Control A. Let's change the font first. Chunky 5. Increase the size to see how it will look. Bring that there. Just center it. Then this dream will make it the color we like. That sky blue. What do you guys think? So what goes down here as the subheading? Let's bring that down here. Then look for the subheading. Yeah. It's too big, but let's look how it will look like. Control A, not all those. Control A with black font. Then some. That becomes sky blue. Build becomes sky blue. Monetize becomes sky blue. Boom. Then Control A, we need to change the font to chunk 5. Boom. Yeah. What else do we need on this screen? We need 3 more screens. Let's see. So that is where the Nini went. It went over here. I'll change that later. new mockup screen. From what I'm seeing, I might need to use need to use one with the hand, though didn't want to do that in this project. Or maybe you can remove background, but that's a premium feature. Haven't paid for this. I'll start a free trial perhaps. Let's go with this. Nope, wrong screen, wrong screen. You are coming here, and then you are becoming big like that. Yeah, so we'll need uploads. We'll just reuse some screens until we upload new screens tomorrow. Just make that half screen, then enlarge this to be so big that you need to see. Then let's just do that once more. Awesome, awesome. What do we add on this screen? Yeah. The copy, let's check the copy. We'll say never. No, I don't like the ones that have been created. Let's tell more, please. These are too long and not self-explanatory. Or we can even try generating some dummy images. What do you guys think? And remember to take a water break. One hub for your whole life. Then a subheading, track your goals and your crew in one place. So we come here, add heading, bring it up here, Control V, a Control A, change the color to black, then change that to navy blue, and change this to sky blue as well. I'm sorry, I meant sky blue, not navy blue. So that's done. We have no space on the bottom, right? So right on top here, we're going to add our subheading. telling the user. So what does the subheading say? Let's have a look. Let's close this. Quit that as well. And the subheading said, track your goals. And get guidance from your crew in one place. Let's change that to that, and then we can reduce the font to fit in one place. Then for the text, do we leave it as black? It looks too off, right? Let's Control A, get that to 50. That looks a bit too squeezed. Let me move it down. Change the fonts to my font, chunk 5. I really don't like the black. Think, oh, and what do you think? Do you think I should add another font color? Or I mark important words with nice colors? Yeah. It has even been too monotonous. Let's add one more color at random. No, we are trying to build a brand. Remember that? So I'm trying to build a brand for this application. So we can't use just random colors. We must use a brand color. So that is one thing I have learned as well in my building. Let's reduce that to 100 so it can give us enough space. To handle this so it doesn't look too squeezed. Yeah, what do you guys think? Yeah, so that is okay. Okay. Now page 6. Once more, we go to elements and look for another screen. For this new screen, all the text will be at the bottom and no text on the top. The image will be at the top. Let's check on that. Oh my god, baby, you got everything you need. Only a genius can love a woman like me. So let's expand that. Yeah, let's be unapologetic with this screen, right? So what if it gets out of face? Yeah. Yeah. Bring that in there. Awesome. And then what will the screen say? This screen will talk about, let's have a look at Gemini. Nope. Brains, nope. Think big. Yeah. I really like that. Nope. Text heading. Paste that. Control A. Increase the font. This will need to be 250 because that is the only one. We aren't putting any other text over there. It should just be these two words. Let's reduce it to 200. Let's check how 200 will look. Yeah, perfect. Then they all need to be in my font, chunk 5, and they're both keywords. How will they look with that color? Yeah, looks good. Perfecto. Next, the last screen, screen number 7. This is not actually the last screen. This is, how can I put this? I'll be making more screens, but this is, I'm just preparing screens for tomorrow so I can submit the first version and I can go live. My app has just sent a notification telling me good morning. It's time to wake up and chase my daily rituals. Time to do those press ups. Haven't slept today, but that's okay. I'm sorry for that. So we'll do 10 press ups. It's fine. Those are 5. 5 more to go. I've been unhealthy for a minute. Yeah. So I've been unhealthy. I need to get back to getting fit. Yeah. Let's proceed. And I need to mark my app as well that I have completed my workout. So for this next screen, what will we do? add that. Then how do you think we should position this? Let's say in the middle, right? Right here in the middle. Yeah, like that. Then the copy should say copy for the last screen as a summary and a high converting call to action. Let's see what it will do. Nope. Yeah, better OS, better life, better coaches. Better coaches, better life. So where can we put that? We don't need a screen for this, right? How can we put this? Let's just use a screen. And then we can see text. Move it here. And then we can see yeah, better coaches, better life. Control A. Convert it to my chunk 5. So font 200. How is that? No, too big. So let's say 150. No. So 130. 120. Perfect. Perfect. Then this I can make it I can add an effect, background, not the whole word, come on. Just that effect. So I can't actually just put a background to one if they're in the same text box. So I'll need to cut that and paste it down here. Then this I can actually reduce its size so it looks a bit centered, right? Or guys, which one do you think I should actually add a background on? Which one emphasizes more? Life or coaches? Hmm, let me go with, let me try both of them. One at a time, I mean. But I want the color to be white. Yeah. And then text color should not be black, but actually that to make it look transparent. That should go there. Let me try to this. Okay, so here I have two options. I can either add beta OS in caps. This is a really good option. Then I can bring this over here. Yeah, and we are done. So, how can I preview all this? Let me just download them. As PNG, all pages. Or I can try Canva for free. Where is my card? It's only one screen that has those. Let's download a draft. We see how it will behave. I'm not taking it because I'm not sure where my card is. Then we can extract all those. And then upload them to appstore. We are looking at our App Store page. Then finish uploading the screenshots. Give it a minute to finish loading. It's the new we have extracted. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are the ones we want. Yeah. But this comes last. Let's just rearrange this quickly. And this. Yeah. This here. Is it like that? Yeah, like that. Then promotional text and a description next. So have uploaded the screenshots, and next stream will be in a few hours, where I'll be getting to fill in the promotional text, description, and all the details required to finally go live. If you enjoyed the live stream, I'll be doing this more oftenly, so make sure to stay tuned. Otherwise, it has been a pleasure. Adios. Yeah, and I was saying, if you enjoyed the live stream, it has been a pleasure. And yeah, adios guys. Have a wonderful night or day wherever you are.